HO Swan neck lamps. They're in a packet of 3, and I'd like to show you a little bit of easily how they mount. You'll notice that they actually come with the fiber fully attached. You don't have to add the fiber to these at all. So let's take one of those. So here's one of the Swan neck lamps. You'll see it here, and it has the fiber attached to it. So what I'm going to do is just going to take a drill. I'm just going to drill a hole. I pre-drilled this one actually. Into this board. Excellent. Okay. Just take the fiber, feed the fiber down into the board. So if you're mounting this on your layout, what you do is just insert this in, put this down, put it into there. There it is, down into there. Excellent. Okay. Now we'll take the fiber and we'll move that into a lamplighter. So I'm going to put this into a lamplighter where I've got a whole lot of fibers already. There we go. Right. Now at this point, you probably can't see the light very well because I've got all the lights on. I'll turn them off. There we go. We'd see the light very clearly from there. And there we are with the little car. And this is, so we can adjust that light, dim it if we want. So plenty easily lit. And what it forms is a very nice round spot down here, what somebody's called pools of light, which is the ideal way to be lighting the layout. So there it is, a very simple Swan neck lamp.
Trainz.com, making dreams come true, one train at a time.